Hibernation is a fascinating survival strategy that allows animals to cope with harsh environmental conditions, primarily during winters when food is scarce and temperatures drop significantly. Here's a detailed overview of why and how animals hibernate. Reasons for hibernation: energy conservation. Animals hibernate to conserve energy during periods when food is scarce. By significantly reducing their metabolism, they can survive on stored fat reserves. For instance, bears build up fat during warmer months and rely on these reserves while dormant. Temperature regulation. In cold climates, maintaining body heat requires a lot of energy. Hibernation reduces energy expenditure by lowering body temperature and metabolic rates, allowing animals like Arctic ground squirrels to survive extreme cold. Adaptation to seasonal changes. Hibernation aligns with seasonal changes to ensure survival. For instance, bats use a special fat called brown fat to sustain their energy needs during hibernation, slowing their metabolic rate to as low as 2% of normal levels. Key features of hibernation: metabolic slowdown. Animals drastically lower their metabolic rate, reducing energy consumption. For example, the heart rate of some lizards drops from 30 beats per minute to just 1 or 2 during hibernation. Temperature drop. Mammals like ground squirrels can lower their body temperature to near freezing, conserving energy and reducing the need for frequent arousals. Dormancy types. While true hibernators like bats and squirrels meet specific criteria, for example, lowered temperature, metabolism, and heart rate, other animals, such as bears, enter a less intense dormancy called torpor, where their body temperature doesn't drop as drastically. Types of animals that hibernate. Mammals. Many mammals, including rodents and bats, are true hibernators. Bears, though often referred to as hibernators, experience a lighter dormancy. Reptiles and amphibians. These animals undergo a similar process called brumation. For instance, snakes and lizards reduce their activity but can still respond to external stimuli if disturbed. Insects and fish. Certain insects and fish also enter dormancy, though their mechanisms differ slightly from those of mammals and reptiles. In essence, hibernation is an adaptive process that varies among species but serves a universal purpose: surviving adverse conditions while minimizing energy usage. It is a remarkable example of how animals align their biological processes with environmental challenges. The term bear is often associated with hibernation because many bear species engage in this seasonal behavior to survive harsh winters. However, bear hibernation is quite different from that of other animals. Here's a detailed look. What is hibernation in bears? Definition of hibernation. Hibernation in bears is a state of torpor, which is a less intense form of hibernation compared to that seen in animals like bats or squirrels. During torpor, bears drastically reduce their metabolic rate and body temperature. They conserve energy to survive the months when food is scarce. Physiological adaptations. Reduced heart rate. A bear's heart rate drops from around 50 to 60 beats per minute to just 8 to 10. Minimal body temperature drop. Unlike smaller animals, bears maintain a relatively high body temperature during hibernation, about 88 degrees Fahrenheit compared to their normal 98 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Fat reserves. They rely on stored body fat for energy and hydration, losing up to 30% of their body weight during hibernation. Survival without eating, drinking, or excreting. Bears don't eat, drink, urinate, or defecate during hibernation. Their body recycles waste products like urea into amino acids, which are used for maintaining muscle and tissue health. Hibernation duration. Bears can hibernate for 5 to 7 months depending on climate, food availability, and the species. In warmer regions, some bears may remain active year-round if food is accessible. Why do bears hibernate? Hibernation is a survival strategy that allows bears to conserve energy during winter when food like berries, nuts, or prey is scarce. Avoid harsh weather conditions that make foraging dangerous or inefficient. Fun facts about bear hibernation: birth during hibernation, female bears give birth while in hibernation. Cubs nurse and grow in the safety of the den until spring. Waking up quickly, despite being in a deep sleep, bears can wake up quickly if threatened. Energy efficiency: bears burn approximately 4,000 calories per day during hibernation, compared to over 15,000 when active. Bear hibernation, often synonymous with survival, showcases their incredible ability to adapt to challenging environments. Bear hibernation, often synonymous with survival, showcases their incredible ability to adapt to challenging environments. It's not just about sleep, it's a finely tuned biological process that ensures their survival through the harshest months of the year.
If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button to join our journey. Your small gesture of subscribing will help our small channel grow a lot. Your support means everything to us.